Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I am going to solve question number 14 to 16 of second exercise from class 5th maths textbook. Page number 18. This is the page, 18 number page, and question number 14 to 16. And again, these questions are related to Indian numeral digits. So I am going to revise that how to write Indian numeral digits. Okay, it's very easy, but I want to revise this. So it is 0 in Indian numeral digits. It is 1. Sometimes 1 is also written this, but it is complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes 8 is also written like this, and 9. It is 9. Sometimes 9 is also written in this way, and no need to write 10 because 10 means 1 and 0. So we have to use these 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, ये सारी डिजिट्स को हमें यूज करना है, एंड आई होप यू रिमेंबर ऑल दिस डिजिट्स. सो द क्वेश्चंस आर रिलेटेड टू एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ओनली. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. 14th question is $264. The number given is 264 students were participate in an examination. Out of them 194 were passed. Means it is okay, 1 is written in this way, 194, and you can write 1 like this also. Okay, not a problem. So find the students who were failed. The meaning of this question is, एक एग्जामिनेशन में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं, टोटल स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज 264, और उनमें से वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने एग्जाम पास किया है वह 194. तो कितने स्टूडेंट्स उस एग्जाम में फेल हुए? सो दिस इज 64, दिस इज 194. ओके, आई होप इट बिकम्स इजियर. सो in the solution you write in this way. So focus at the board. We write students appeared. Okay, you can write students appeared equals 200 Indian digits, 264, and students passed 194. Then students failed will be, obviously we have to perform subtraction, so write equal here, perform the subtraction, this will be your answer. तो इस तरह से भी आप लिख सकते हैं. Okay, I have written both the values, and for the answer I have written this statement and perform the subtraction here only. So what will be the answer? 4 minus 4, 0. This is 6, this is 9. Not possible. Take a borrow from 2, it becomes 1, and it becomes 16. So 16 minus 9 is, what will be the answer? 16 minus 9 is 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0 because, do you remember? Yes, a number cannot start with 0. So the answer is 70. This much only. Okay, so it is question number 14 of exercise 2. The answer is 70. Pause the video and note. Actually, I also like these Indian digits when I started teaching you. So, I am also enjoying, students. 15th question. If sum of two numbers is 9732, I request you to practice on Indian digits so that you can quickly read the number. It is 9732, where one of them is 3846. Find the other. If the sum of two numbers is given and one of them numbers is also given, to find the other number you have to perform subtraction. So these are the steps of the answer. Okay, and question number 15. Okay, sum equals 9732 and one of them, one number is 3800. Okay, this is 846. Then other number equals, just perform the subtraction. So check the values again. It is 9732 and 3846. All right, students, I am going to perform subtraction. 2 and 6 not possible. Take borrow from this number, it becomes 2. Again remember, it is 3 not 6, so it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. So 2 minus 4 not possible. Take borrow from this, 7 becomes 6, it becomes 12, and 12 minus 4 is 8. So how to write 8? Okay, write 8. Again 6 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow from 9, it becomes 8 and it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8 and it was also 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is the answer? Just try to speak the number name. Question number 15 of exercise 2. So it is 5886. Okay, in the book I hope the answer is wrong, because answer is given in 5 digits and there are only 4 digits. Just check it, because when you will solve you will try in your book also. Now see, listen carefully. We can check if we convert these numbers into international numerals. So it is 9732 and this is 3846. Now perform subtraction. This is 12 minus 6, 6, and okay, write the answer, then check. It is 5886. So I hope you can check this. Okay, our answer is correct. If you try to match your answer from the book, you will be confused, because at the last of the book answers are given, but there is a 5-digit number. Obviously it cannot be a 5-digit number, so this is correct answer. Don't be confused with the book. And I am going to solve last question, 16th. The question is not last, okay, not last. 125 meter cloth is required to make 3 curtains of 286 meter cloth is required to make 5 canopy. Find the total length of cloth. Okay, see, 3 curtains. Just write the answer directly. Total length of cloth is, so given 125 meter cloth is required to make 3 curtains and 286 required to make 5 canopy. So total length means we have to perform addition. First is 125 meter and next value is 286 meter. Perform the addition. Check the values. We have to be careful for the Indian digits. First value is 1, 2, 5. Second is 2, 8, 6. Okay. This is 1. Now perform the addition. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, again 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4. This is the answer. So again, I think we should check our answer. Question number 16 of exercise 2. The answer is 411. Okay students, this is the right answer, 411 meter. And what is the meaning of this? It means the total length of cloth which is required to make the curtains and canopy is 411 meter. Finally, we have solved 3 questions, question number 14 to 16, and I want to tell you few important points regarding this chapter. And after this chapter, we will start third, which is about multiplication and division. So always do practice with Indian numeral digits, because when you use international numeral digits, it is easier because we are habitual of using these digits since last few years, but Indian digits are new for us. So practice regularly when you solve the questions. Okay, you have to remember these digits also and try to perform the addition and subtraction very carefully. Okay, and the important thing is that few digits in Indian numeral system are written in different ways. For example, 1 can be written in this way and this way. Next, 8 can be written in this way or in this way. Finally, 9 in this way and in this way. These 3 digits are written in 2 different ways. So you have to be very careful. Don't confuse. Okay, try to solve the questions in your assignment. All the best.